Hey guys, we are in video number 3 of our History of Makeup series. I hope that you guys have enjoyed the video so far. This one's going to be interesting. Today we are doing Marie Antoinette. Today we are doing Marie Antoinette from school. You see all the curls and the oh yeah. We're gonna see how I look like as a blonde. What you think? I'm really excited to do this particular one just because I love the white face and the pink, you know, everywhere. It's just very simple, very crazy looking, but it's going to be fun. So let's get started. We're going to be using the white out of my Mehron Paradise palette, as well as the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in color Natural. Yeah, I'm gonna mix this and a little bit of white paint, just to kind of give me that white ghosty feel. You know what I think I'm gonna do? Let's put a little layer of white on first, and then we'll put foundation on over it. Let's see how that looks. Yes. And I'm going to cover up my brows a little bit too with that paint. Alright, and we also need to go down our neck with the same routine, doing white. I'm gonna put that through my hairline too. Wow, I look like one of the ancestors from Addams Family, the musical. So I have this really cheap palette, like contour palette that I got from Ulta or Walmart or somewhere. We're gonna be using this powder today. A big fluffy brush, we're just going to dip into that and put that all over our face. And we're gonna go into this blush right here, which is the brightest blush I personally own. At least I think it is. We're gonna use this one anyways. So we're going to dip that kabuki brush in here. And put that right on our cheeks. And you know what? That's not as bright as I want it to be. So I'm going to go into the Morphe Dare to Create palette. Yes. And we're going to dip into this pink shade right there. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, now I'm going to take the Morphe 573 brush and the, let me see what palette I want to use. And the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm going to use these these 4 colors right here, and really just kind of deepen the crease area of my eye. They didn't wear that much like eye makeup, but they did have very pronounced creases, like very sunken in eyes. So I want to kind of give that illusion. Alright, now I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in white and put that on my lower lash line and in my waterline. Alright, and then we're going to take this gray shade right here in the Shade and Light palette and a small detail brush. And then we're just going to put that right underneath. Alright, so I am going to put a little bit of mascara on using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I look so insane right now. I can't even see. I have like white everywhere in my eyes. Alright, so we're going to start with lips. The Makeup Revolution like lip duo in color Grande. They did these little precise pointed lips. So we're gonna do that. And then while that's drying, I'm going to go back to the Morphe Dare to Create palette. Use that bright purple shade again on my fingers and just kind of dot it. On my lips. Okay, so we're almost done. I am going to put a little bit of highlight on, just because, you know, who doesn't like a little bit of highlight? But I'm going to be using the highlight in the Morphe Blush Trio palette in color Fierce right here. And I'm just going to kind of put that on my finger and run it over my cheeks a little bit. Alright, I'm going to go put on my costume and my wig and I will be right back. And what we forgot to add a little mole. There we go. Now we're complete. I whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair back and forth, Okay, so that was my Marie Antoinette Victorian era style makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, this is a full series on my channel. If you want to go see the first 2 videos, I will link those down below and in the cards above. And I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. This is a more simple makeup tutorial if you want it to be someone from a different era. It's very fun. You know, you don't really need that many products to pull this off, but a little white, a little lace, and this fun wig with some pink accessories always comes in handy. I will see you guys next week. Love you guys so much. Please make sure and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the rest of this History of Makeup series. I'll see you guys later. Bye.